Ever wondered what biohacking is? In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, we often overlook the extraordinary capabilities of our own bodies. But what if there were ways to tap into our biology, to enhance it, to fine-tune it, much like you'd fine-tune a high-performance car? That, in essence, is what biohacking is all about. Biohacking, a term that's been gaining traction especially in metro cities like Delhi and Mumbai, refers to an array of methods and techniques designed to optimize the body's performance and potentially even extend one's lifespan. Drawing from fields as diverse as biology, genetics, neuroscience, and nutrition, biohackers seek to improve their physical and mental capabilities, overall health and well-being, or achieve a specific health outcome. Biohacking can take various forms and generally falls into one of four categories. The first, lifestyle, is all about making positive health and behavior choices. This is the most accessible form of biohacking, encompassing everything from dietary changes and meditation to breath work and exercise. The second category, molecular, delves into the world of molecules, both natural and synthetic. Here, the focus is on using these molecules to shift one's biology. For instance, taking supplements would fall under this category. Third, we have biologics, which are biological products designed to enhance our biology. These can range from cells to tiny information packets known as exosomes, which are essentially biological bundles of DNA, mRNA proteins, and growth factors. Biologics typically need to be injected, such as stem cells, or delivered intravenously, for example, by IV transfusion. Lastly, there's technology. This category encompasses devices like smartwatches and blood sugar monitors. Here, biohacking harnesses technology to gather data about the body, allowing individuals to use that information to adjust their health and strive for improved performance. In India, biohacking is a relatively new field and there are currently no laws that specifically address it. However, the practice is gradually gaining recognition, with more and more people taking an interest in optimizing their health and performance. So, to summarize, biohacking refers to the practice of using methods from various scientific fields to enhance one's physical and mental performance. It can take the form of lifestyle changes, the use of molecules or biologics, or the application of technology. As we continue to unlock the secrets of our biology, the possibilities for biohacking are virtually limitless. Who knows where this fascinating journey will take us next?